Roger that. All right, we will start heading up the hill. Stay safe and get that sucker home and prepared.
Hey, Mod, make sure to stay left once you're going in this wet section, because there's a big hole to the right.
I'll do that.
Hey, Drew, this is Olaf leaving. Have a good one. Happy New Year.
Hey, let us know if you guys need any help on the way home, okay?
Will do. Appreciate it.
Happy New Year.
See you later, Olaf. It was nice seeing you again. Drive safe, man.
Thank you. Good seeing everybody.
Now you've given us the target. What happens when you fall off of that rock? But make sure.
Looks like you need to go passenger.
Back up a little bit. Right there. Come forward, and when I tell you to turn passenger. So far.
You'll want to go a little bit more passenger. That's driver.
Oh.
You want to go passenger. There you go. More. More. All right, there you go. Take that. Don't worry, it's just your brakes, they're mad.
Yeah.
All right, turn a little, there you go. It's perfect.